Good news for you Land Rover fans. Now Land Rover has launched the Range Rover Sport 2023. Presenting the latest styles on the interior and exterior. The Range Rover Sport takes inspiration from the regular Range Rover for its design, featuring flat door handles. The Range Rover Sport uses Land Rover's MLA-Flex platform. DRL Sport lights are installed on the front and rear. This SUV comes with a drag coefficient of 0.29. The Range Rover Sport 2023 uses a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Produces 395 horsepower, 294 kilowatts, and 406 lb-ft, 550 Nm. Additionally, the Range Rover Sport 2023 offers approximately 77.2 kilometers, 48 miles, of all-electric range thanks to a 105 kilowatt electric motor and 31.8 kilowatt-hour battery. Each engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and all-wheel drive. The inside of the Range Rover Sport 2023 features a curved, high-resolution sport infotainment screen, just above the IP stack and center console. The 13.1-inch screen size houses Land Rover's Pivi Pro infotainment software. In addition, in front of the driver is a 13.7-inch interactive driver display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless, are standard. Also served very comfortable chairs. The sound supply for the audio system comes from the Meridian Signature sound system. This is truly a luxury and high-tech car.